Hello, I thought I would show you a quick trick with custom number formatting, which you might find useful if you deal with dates. Let me show you. Here I've got some dates, which are company holiday dates. So I'd like to know what day of the week they are. Let me just select them. And I'm just going to copy them across so that I can show you this little trick. So I'm just holding down Control and dragging to the right. So I've copied them basically. Now, the ones I've got selected, I like them to say the day of the week that they are instead of the date. So to do that, I need to use custom number formatting. So I go up to the number format tab here in the format cells box, and I go down to custom. And here, instead of saying DD/MM/YY, just drag backwards from those. And can you see up here in the sample box, it says 03. Okay, if I put more D's in, it will say Mon, or if I put 4 D's in, it will say Monday. And that's the one I'm looking for. So these have now changed over to showing Monday, Wednesday, Monday. So it's worked out what day of the week they are, which I think is pretty handy. Hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you want to ask me, then get in touch. All my details coming up.